Hi, team. This is George. I hope everybody's enjoying the discussions this week. I appreciate the effort you're putting into it to drive these discussions deeper and to actually make our text and everything that we're learning useful, because that's the key. We want tools out of this. So, on that note, I want to talk about our personal behavioral modification project. And if you click on it, it'll bring you to the if you click on it from the initial weeks, it'll bring you to the actual assignment. Then you click on assignment overview, and it brings you to this page here. Now, the reason why this is so important is because it breaks everything down exactly how it should be done. We have our overview, which is right here, and it says part one, behavior selection. All we're doing this week is deciding on our behavior, and the key. Oh, I can't write on this. Okay. Part of the key is we choose a behavior that we want to change. So that's wanting is kind of a precursor to just about any change. But here it says avoid selecting any behavior that requires clinical treatment, and then they give us some examples. So the importance of this is that we take the tools we're learning and we apply them, because they're more meaningful and we learn them in a much deeper way when we can actually apply the tool. So I'm looking forward to seeing what everybody selects. I'm going to go ahead and participate in this as well, because I think it is very important. And I am going to choose what I eat. So I'm going to have oatmeal 5 days a week in the morning for breakfast. And exercise goals, I want to increase my exercise to 90 minutes a day, 4 days a week. So I want to get up to be able to run. By the time we're done with these 8 weeks, I want to be able to run 3 miles without a problem. And for me, that's a big deal because I'm not a runner. So it's just important to be able to do this. And no matter how long we've been here, we just want to be able to consistently challenge ourselves and make changes and things like that. One thing I actually did my dissertation on is positive thoughts. My dissertation was actually on mental imagery. But when you have increased your positive thoughts or your motivational thoughts, what happens is you actually increase in performance of whatever you're directing it at. So our mind is a very powerful tool. So it can also change the way we perceive others. And when we perceive others in a more positive light, guess what happens to them? They start performing at a higher level as well. It's kind of amazing how it just kind of builds on itself. So the positivity really does work. Motivation does work, but we just need to apply it. And especially in those times where we don't want to apply it, when things may be hitting on us kind of hard, we want to be able to apply those thoughts. So things like that are fantastic. I just want to let you know my goals. And this week, all you have to do is select the behavior you want to change. So I look forward to going through this with you, and have a fantastic week.